Welcome to the Python Programming Foundation course for beginners. In this first lecture, I'll give you a quick introduction about the Python programming language, the emergence of Python and its use. Let's begin. Python is the language of choice for data analytics, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and automation. As on date, Python is one of the world's fastest growing programming language, and people from different disciplines use Python for a variety of purposes. Python is a high-level, interpreted, and dynamically typed programming language. What do we exactly mean by that? Well, programming languages are often categorized into two groups, static and dynamic. The static programming language will do many things at the time of compilation, such as checking for the correctness of the data types and generating compiled code. Whereas a dynamic programming language will differ all those things for the runtime. So, the static programming language will have a compilation error if the type system is violated, whereas the dynamic programming language will have a runtime error for the same. Python is a beginner-friendly and straightforward language. It was initially designed by Guido van Rossum in 1991 and later developed by the Python Software Foundation. The language's core philosophy is to achieve excellent code readability and syntax that allows programmers to express concepts in fewer code lines. You can use Python for all the three dominant programming paradigms: procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming. Since 1991, Python has received a massive adoption across the industries, professionals, and domains. Here are some facts collected by the JetBrains survey. People are using it for personal as well as professional work. And what do they use it for? Data analysis, machine learning, automation, as well as web development. Here is a list of Python libraries and frameworks used in data science space. Which version are they using? Python 2 has reached the end of life. So this course is all about Python 3. Great. The point is straight. Python as a programming language is hot due to its recent data science applications, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. And in this course, I'll help you to learn Python programming. Great. See you in the next lecture. Keep learning and keep growing.